I'm going to be working with these paper cones that you can get at Hobby Lobby. If you have a hard time finding them, you can use a party hat from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to take these Dollar Tree eggs and I'm going to start gluing them all over the cone. I'm just using hot glue. I did need quite a few of these, although I feel like over the years I've had plenty. And then I cut the tip off of the top of the cone. I'm going to take some hot glue and put it between the eggs. I'm going to take this green moss. You can get this at the Dollar Tree at times. If you look for it, sometimes it's there, usually this time of year. Or you can get it at most craft stores. And I glued it all over in between all the eggs, just to fill in those gaps. Then I took a pair of scissors and just trimmed back the moss, as I really wanted the eggs to show. I found this mirror also at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint it in the Higgins Lake. You're going to see me using this more often as the spring comes in. This and Dry Time are my favorite colors during the spring. And I just love this mirror because of all the little grooves and curves. And then I also found this jar at the Dollar Tree and painted it in the Higgins Lake. Once this dried, I took a sandpaper and just went around and distressed the edges of all this detail in the mirror, and I did the same to the jar. Then I took E6000 and a little hot glue and glued the jar to the bottom of my mirror. Now I have this little stand. Then I'm going to take my tree and glue that to the top of the mirror. Again, using the E6000 and the hot glue. To top this off, I found this bunny head at the Dollar Tree. It came a pack of 2. And I'm going to glue it in the hole at the top of the tree. I did wrap a few strands of jute around the neck just to give it stability. You could throw some lights on this. I decided to keep mine a little more on the simple side. And I really loved how this came out. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.